We'd like to introduce ourselves. We are Barefoot Organic Carpet Care, a local family-owned and operated business. We thought you might like to know what's involved when we come to clean your home. This is Justin. He's one of the owners. He's going to show you our 7-step process that gets your carpets barefoot clean, organically of course. Our company is built on respect for you and for your home. We start by inspecting all areas and discussing any concerns you may have. Whether you've just done so or not, we will vacuum your carpets to pick up any dry particulate soil. We then apply our organic pre-spray solution in all areas we clean, not just the spots. This is concentrated, goes on hot, and is truly all organic and food grade. Ingredients include grapefruit seed extract, which is known for its sanitizing properties, along with lime and orange peel, and coconut and corn surfactants. We also use a powerful enzyme treatment when needed for pet odors, along with bacteria-based stains like food and drinks. Our Barefoot Power Brush has thousands of counter-rotating bristles that agitate the fibers, get deep into the carpet, down into the nap, to pull up dirt, grime, pet and human hair, even bug parts and construction dust. It's amazing what a vacuum alone cannot get out of your carpet. We use a truck-mounted hot water extraction system to do the heavy lifting. This system uses hotter water and a strong vacuum system, along with a water softener that leaves your carpets cleaner, drier, and softer. This system completely flushes and removes the dirt, dust, grime, and toxins out of your home. We then groom the fibers of your carpet so they stand up for fastest drying. Our service is personal, and our customers are priority. We love what we do and it shows. Our excellent customer reviews speak for themselves. It's probably why we've won so many awards, including the People Love Us on Yelp award. We also deep clean tile and grout, upholstery like furniture, sofas, and love seats, wool and specialty area rugs, wood floors, mattresses, and fabric bed frames. If you have wrinkling, bubbling, or damaged carpet, we have 25 years of experience in repairing and restretching carpet. Unique to our industry, we offer powerful UVC sanitizing, which kills microscopic bacteria such as dust mites, MRSA, E. coli, viruses, mold, and more. In everything we do, our goal is to give you the power of nature and peace of mind. Give us a call, and we'll take as much time as you need to answer all your questions and learn how we can help you. For further information, visit our website at barefooto.com. That's barefooto, as in organic.com.